For decades, KTM's 300cc two-stroke platform has been regarded as the gold standard in off-road performance. From technical single-track and Rocky Mountain climbs to demanding enduro races, the 300 EXC-W has earned a reputation for delivering exceptional versatility and rider-friendly power. For 2027, KTM continues to refine its flagship off-road machine, offering a lightweight, technologically advanced package that remains one of the most capable enduro motorcycles available in the market. Starting at $11,949, the 2027 300 EXC-W combines proven two-stroke performance with modern fuel injection technology, premium suspension components, and race-ready chassis engineering. At the heart of the 300 EXC-W lies a 293.15cc liquid-cooled single-cylinder two-stroke engine designed to deliver strong torque throughout the rev range while maintaining the lively character that has made KTM's 300 platform famous among trail riders and enduro racers. The engine utilizes a 39mm Keen electronic fuel injection throttle body paired with a Vitesco Technologies engine management system. This advanced fuel delivery system provides crisp throttle response, smooth power delivery, and reliable performance. Power is transferred through a 6-speed transmission designed to handle everything from slow-speed technical sections to high-speed trail riding. KTM's proven DDS wet multi-disc clutch with Brembo hydraulic actuation offers consistent engagement and reduced rider fatigue. The bike is built around KTM's lightweight chrome molybdenum steel central double cradle frame, engineered to provide the ideal balance of stability, precision, and rider feedback. Complementing the frame is an aluminum-reinforced polyamide rear subframe, helping reduce overall weight while enhancing durability. With a dry weight of just 230 pounds, the EXC-W remains one of the lightest motorcycles in its class. Suspension duties are handled by premium WP components. Up front, riders benefit from WP Exact 48mm USD forks, offering 11.8 inches of travel and full compression and rebound adjustability. At the rear, KTM's signature WP Explore PDS shock absorber delivers 12.2 inches of travel. The progressive damping system eliminates the need for linkage components, reducing weight and increasing ground clearance. Riders can fine-tune the shock through adjustable preload, compression, and rebound settings to suit varying terrain and riding styles. One useful feature is the optional Map Select switch. Mounted on the left side of the handlebar, it allows riders to switch between Map 1 and 2 while riding. Depending on conditions, riders can choose a smoother power delivery for slippery trails or a more aggressive setting when maximum performance is needed. The bike's dimensions further highlight its serious off-road intentions. A tall 38-inch seat height provides ample suspension travel while allowing riders to maintain control during aggressive riding. The bike's impressive 13.6-inch ground clearance enables it to clear rocks, logs, and obstacles that would challenge many other motorcycles. Fuel capacity comes in at approximately 2.3 gallons, providing sufficient range for most enduro rides while helping maintain the bike's lightweight feel. The 2027 300 EXC-W remains one of the most complete off-road motorcycles on the market. It isn't loaded with unnecessary gadgets or gimmicks. Instead, it focuses on the things that matter: a strong engine, excellent suspension, lightweight handling, and the versatility to tackle almost any trail. That's exactly why, year after year, the 300 EXC-W continues to be the benchmark for serious enduro riders.